Hi, hello guys, welcome back to T's Tech World. This is Darshan. We are going to explain about relation operation in Java. Relation operation in Java is an essential tool where it compares the values and makes a decision in your code. In this video, we are going to explore about the different types of relation operations and how to apply them effectively. Going further, we are going to know about the introduction of relation operations. Comparing the value. Relation operations allows you to compare two values and determine their relationship, such as equality, inequality, greater than or less than. Conditional statements. These operations are commonly used in conditional statements like if-else block to make decisions based on the comparison results. Boolean expressions. Comparison results are always in Boolean values, resulting in true or false, which can be used as a logical expression and optimizing the code. As you see nowadays, the codes are becoming smaller, which makes the memory consumes less memory space, where the relation operation helps in developing that kind of codes and utilizing the less space to or less execution time in the execution of the program. Moving further, we are going to know about the different types of operations, which are equality operations, which is denoted by double equals, where the LHS is compared to RHS, where if both are equal, it returns true, if not false. Where we can take an example where x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 5, where the resultant value will be stored in Boolean is equal, where it returns true. Coming to the unequal operations, where it is denoted by exclamatory mark and equal, where it denotes true only for which is not equal, and if it is true, means if it is equal, then it will return false. Here we can see it is an opposite of equality. Here we are giving the value as an example. We are giving a value x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 7, which are not equal. So the answer which will be stored in Boolean is not equal is equals to true. Going further, we are going to learn about greater than operator, which is used in basically in maths from our 10th and basic primary schools, where we are going to check the LHS and RHS, where the LHS is greater than the RHS. We are, we are giving the value x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 5. With an example, we are going to know here where the answer is stored in Boolean is greater, where x is 10 greater than 5, which is true, so that the resultant value Boolean value is true. If it is vice versa, then it will be false. Less than operator. Less than operator. Here we are going to know about the RHS is less than LHS. Here we are going to take x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 10, where the boolean is less is the value where we get the result, where if y is less than 10, so it will return true. Greater than or equal to. Greater than equal to churches, where the number which we are going to give at the right RHS is equal to or more than the LHS. Sorry, less than the LHS. Here we are going to know where 10 10 are equal, so that the answer will be true. If not, if the x is greater than or also 10, it will be true, because as we give the condition greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, which we are going to represent like this. There is no difference, but it is vice versa of greater than equal to. Going further, where these applications are going to be introduced in operations. Conditional statements. Relation operators are commonly used in if-else statements and tertiary operators to make the decision based on the comparisons. Logical expressions. Boolean values done by an relation operations can be combined with an logical operators and or not to get a complex Boolean expression. Optimizing the code. Understanding the relation operators help us to write a more efficient and reliable Java code, reducing the needs of verbose conditional logic. As I said before, it's given in technical words. And debugging. Debugging makes more easier. It reduces the execution time. Relation operators allow your comparison values to make decision in a Java code. Operators type. There are mainly six, where are equal, not equal, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Conditional logics. Uh, Relational operators are essential for building conditional statements and logical statements and optimizing and debugging, which I had already said before. And let's look at for an execution part in an VS Code. Let's go for VS Code. Here's the program where I've given all the relation operations starting with the public, either giving the import Java util scanner and giving the class name relation and using the main method and using the scanner class method to take the input from the user. We are giving the options less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, so that it will be stored in the operators and we are going to give the values accordingly and we are going to perform get the result in the boolean form. So we are going to give the boolean result and we are going to use the switch operator to identify the symbol and do the operations accordingly and it will be stored in result. At last, if it is invalid, we will print invalid and we will get the results in results and we will close the scanner method. Let's do one by one so that you will get the conclusion about it. Run Java. As you can see here, we can get here operators. Let me drag it so that you can see properly. As you can see here, enter the relation. Let me start with the less than. Enter first value. We will enter the smaller value first. Enter. Give the greater value 5. Enter. We will get true. We will repeat once more. We are going to use the same symbol, but we are going to give the highest value, then the lowest value. See, you can see the false. Now we are going to perform next operation greater than. We're going to give 10, next number 4, it comes true. Next we are going to perform again greater than, enter. Let me give 3 and 6, it gives false. So we are done with two operators. Next let we go for next one. Now it is less than or equal to. First number will give 3, next we will give 4, it gives true. Let me try for equal to also because we are having two operators. Less than or equal to, we will give 3, enter 3, we will get true. So next we are going to perform the same operator once more. Less than or equal to, less than or equal to, and we are going to give 5, enter 10. Sorry, we will give 1. Now we have got false. Here we got 2 times true. You can see here 2 times true. Here, and we have got 1 time false. Same as for vice versa. Let's try for equal to and not equal to before by not wasting the time. Equal to 3, equal to 3. It gives true. 4, enter. Sorry. 3, enter 3. It is giving an invalid operator because I did not enter the operator, I entered the number. So let me try for equal to and get the false answer. 3 entered 4. See, we got the false answer as it is vice versa of not equal to. By this, I conclude my topics and thank you for all.